Just having a feed. It's starting to rain. So actually it's not a she, it's a he, I think. Check it out. How good with things like that, always. I'm a bit autistic. I think it runs with the territory. Gender typing is not particularly set deeply. But look at this bird. Isn't he gorgeous? Don't know where the other ones are. I'm getting wet here. Ha ha. Wonder if you're getting wet. See the water, just little droplets on its back. One flew overhead then, one flew here once. So anyway, people think I'm crazy when I tell them I talk to the birds. It bloody well talked to me. It came up to me and said, "Hey mate, give me a feed." So that's linguistics, it's language, it's neural networks interacting. It wants feed. That knows I can provide it. It, he, yummo. We're getting wet out here. You got fleas, have you? Hey. And you know, eat some out of my hand a minute ago. I wonder if it will again. Hello. You almost going to peck me then, weren't you? Have a go. Yeah, that's your food bowl, isn't it? Look at that. You want some? Yeah, look at that. No, it prefers the other food bowl. Hey, that's scary. It's going to bring its mates around here. I'm going to hang up with bullies. I'll overrun the place. Aren't they gorgeous? Absolutely. Bye. I'm going for breakfast too. I'm hungry.